Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So this leaf caught my eyes. The reason being is that it's in the shape of a heart, so I picked it up and I really wanted to try something with it. So in my previous video where I made the leaf inlays with the help of the Elmer's glue, I got so many comments and one of them caught my eye. They asked me to create a effect where the leaf is suspended into the clear resin like it's floating. So I really like the idea, so that's what I'm doing here. So this is the leaf and it's a fresh leaf, and I selected the back side of the leaf as it has the textures and veins. So I'm just pouring some UV resin by Teexpert onto the leaf here. I'm making sure that it's a bit medium layer and it should cover all the leaf. So with the help of any pointy tool, I'm just spreading my resin onto the leaf so that there are no gaps before I put it under the UV lamp. So it's done now and it will be going under the Let's Resin UV lamp. So this is such an amazing lamp. It cures any UV item very fast. I really love it. So I'm just removing it under the UV lamp, and now I will be peeling the UV resin from the leaf. So using the fresh leaf really helps to get separated easily instead of using anything on the leaf. So here you can see that it's been easily removed from the fresh leaf. I'm just cleaning up the edges with the help of a scissor because I can see there is some extra resin. So this is the first inlay done, and I will be making few more with the same leaf. So again I will be using the UV resin and I will be covering the back of the leaf. So in this way you can make multiple inlays from just single leaf. And again it will be going under the UV lamp. And now I will be peeling it. And you can see how easily it's getting off from the UV resin. And here is the inlay, and I can make many more out of the same leaf. So this is actually the third one. I had really fun creating these leaves. This is such a fun project where you select different shape and sizes of the leaf and create unique inlays. So this is the third one. So on to the next step now. So I'm going to use 2 leaves for this project. And I will be using interference mica and this one by Burlex. And this is the other mica that I will be using. And now with the help of a brush, I will be simply brushing this mica on the leaves. So here you can see that I'm brushing the mica onto the leaves here. So this is really up to you, whatever color you like. I was thinking of using these because they will look lovely when I will be encasing them in the clear resin. So this mica has a beautiful hidden blue and then pink. So I decided to use this one. And I will be doing the same onto the second one. Just make sure that you cover the leaf with the mica. There should be no gaps. So all done now, and the mold that I will be using for these leaves is this heart mold. So here I'm just cleaning up my mold with the tape. So now I will be pouring the clear resin into the mold. And after that, I will be using my heat gun to remove the bubbles that are introduced when I was pouring the resin into the mold. So after using the heat gun, now I will be adding these leaves into this heart. So this is how I will be adding these. I am trying to make a heart inside a heart with the help of these leaves. So I will leave these to cure and I will see you next day. So just trying to adjust the leaves inside the mold. So this is the next day and my leaves were dipped into the resin. But for the safe side, I did add a second layer just to cover up all the leaves. So this is how it looks like, and I just love how the leaves are ghostly hidden into the resin. You can just see the glimpse of it, but they are transparent. So I did get some bubbles because I was using old resin here. It was a leftover resin and I really wanted to use it. It's my mistake that I didn't use a deep pour. Otherwise this project have been more clearer. But still, I just love how the leaves are hidden inside the resin. So I really love the idea of floating leaves. So for the next step, just to add a little bit of a bling, I will be using my gilding glue and I will be applying a little bit of cold foil onto the edges. The glue is applied and I will leave this to dry. So for my next day, my glue has been dried up and now I will be using my gold mirror. So the gold edging will definitely give it a unique look. So I will be doing this all around the heart. So that will be the final step for this project. Let's see how this looks like. So this is the final look and I just love it. I love the idea of adding these leaves into the clear resin, like suspending or floating. They are hidden inside there. I know there are some bubbles, but sometimes imperfections are necessary just to see that these are handmade. To me, this looks like a moment captured in time. So each project is really unique and your ideas are so amazing. This is totally a subscriber idea and I just love it. Thank you so much for the lovely idea, and I will be trying more ideas because I got a lot of ideas on this technique and I hope they will be turning out successful. So this is for today and I hope you like it, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.